You talk about the zone of excellence in your work as a keynote speaker and as a tennis professional and somebody who's trained elite performing tennis players. Just bring us into that zone of excellence that you provide to make an impact on professionals in your speaking world.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, my journey started in tennis and through a lot of adversity, injuries, almost losing my career after I turned pro and playing Michael Chang on a big stage at the US Open. I started digging into why my body and mind and why I was struggling to get to the next level. And so for the last 25 years, I've been studying high performance principles that allow people to get into flow state or in the zone, lots of different definitions and terms out there. And I really take a holistic approach to helping leaders, helping humans, helping organizations, anyone that is a high achiever. I help them understand that this is a holistic approach to physical, mental, and emotional health. And when you lock all of that in, that's how you can really get into the zone in business and in life. And so that's my calling. That's my passion. It's something that I've been deeply passionate about. It probably have enjoyed the study of all of this more than actually playing tennis. And tennis was the vehicle for me to work on this as an athlete and then as a coach. And now as a success coach and speaker. So I am in my zone when it comes to following my purpose and being aligned with impacting as many people as I can.
So say that again. There was three. I look at them as dials, right? You were talking
Yeah,
about the physical, the emotional, and the mental.
correct. Or body,
Now,
mind, soul, body, mind,
right,
and soul. Mm.
body, mind, and soul. So to use a line out of Spinal Tap, it goes to 11. If all of those dials are dialed up as high as you can go,
Yeah.
is it optimal to have everything on 10, all three dials, all three cylinders, all three realms? Is that the super hyper turbo flow state?
It's interesting because I look at the zone as almost two different things. The zone is that state when you're competing or you're focusing on something that you're just totally immersed in and you lose kind of track of time, everything slows down. That's one type of zone. And then the
Yeah.
zone that I feel like you were asking about referring to is like, how do we get in the zone day to day where we are firing and wiring our brain and our body into a place where we are performing at the highest level we can be at, but we're doing it with this focus of also giving us some grace because high achievers are historically known for being very driven, and one of the things that drives us is to being better, better, better. It's never good enough where we are, so it's this complex dance between optimizing physical, mental, and emotional, getting to that 10 out of 10, that elusive 10 out of 10, but also having an awareness of that when you're falling short in some areas, to give yourself some grace, to give yourself some compassion, give yourself more self love. And so I think what makes it unique, the work that I do, is I played against Pete Sampras, Michael Chang, practiced against Roger Federer. I've seen the best athletes in the world up close and personal, and I've hit 130-mile-an-hour serves. It's a very hard driving world, and I understand the pressure cooker there. And the flip side is I've gone deep into the soft skills, emotional intelligence, the mental health side. And so this blend of being able to merge the hard and the soft skills and to give yourself space when you're not 10 out of 10 in all areas, I think that actually allows you to get to that place in a healthier way instead of that ultra competitive way.